Alright y'all, so since we're going on this trip and yesterday's vlog was all about what kind of foods we're gonna bring, I figured I'd do today's vlog about what's in my two bags. Like these two bags pretty much have everything I need. I've got my camera bag slash computer bag, my work bag, and my gym bag. So let's dive into these. By the way, we're shooting on my phone right now because my camera is in my camera bag. So I'm gonna dig that out first and show you on the camera going forward. So, I just got this bag today. I just got it all loaded up. I'm pretty excited about it. It's super cool. So the side pockets are for the tripods or whatnot. So first I'm gonna disconnect that. Take out my Joby tripod, Gorilla Pod here. And then this whole side slips open and I've got a compartment for each kind of like expensive item, you know, like cameras and whatnot. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out my camera and we'll start shooting on this because the audio and video is a bit better. So here you go. All right, so we're on my camera now. Hopefully it's a little bit better. So going back to the backpack, if you look inside, you've got these shelves. And the cool thing about these shelves is you can adjust the height. You can take them out and adjust the height of them, which is pretty nifty. I've got my Blue Yeti microphone for if I'm gonna be doing any podcasts. I've got my Blue Yeti microphone for podcasts there. And then beneath that, I've got my little pouch with all my GoPro stuff. And I honestly don't ever use the GoPro, but it doesn't take up much space, so I have it if I need it. That's pretty much what's in the main compartment. And the cool thing about this latching mechanism is you can change the height of it if you have more or less storage. So, moving down to the side panel here, I've got all my chargers. I've also got my glasses because sometimes I want to look smart. But I've got my camera charger. I've got a lens pen to clean the camera lens. I've got just a standard wall charger. I've got a portable charger here that does both iPhone and micro USB. And then I've got another just standard wall charger. And that is everything in this side compartment. Now, going over to the other side compartment, we have another little tripod, Gorilla Grip arm, and this one's for my phone. We use this on the AM Instagram lives. But I open up this side compartment, and I've got all of my wires, so kind of a lot more involved here. So kind of zoom in, we'll drop it out a little bit lower here. So we've got all of my cables. We've got that cable's for my my Blue Yeti. I've got cables, micro USB. This is for my iPhone. I've got my Jaybird X2 earbuds and charger. Pencils, pens. I've got the thing about the new iPhones is there's not an auxiliary jack. There's only just the iPhone thing. So I hate that. I've got a little slot for additional SD cards there. And then I've got the adapter for my laptop, a new laptop, so I got that. And then just another charger. That's pretty much all we have in here. And then, the very top of this bag has a designated laptop compartment. So we have a hard drive disc there. We have a cable for that said hard drive, external hard drive. Got a notes folder in case you can take any notes, come up with brilliant business ideas or macro adjustments, goes in here. And then I've got a laptop charger. I've got the Apple Magic Mouse for my laptop, another laptop adapter, and my laptop. Get this out of the way. So I've got the tool case on there. And then check this out, I did upgrade on my laptop. Boom, look at that sticker. You see that sticker? Keto Savage sticker. I ain't scared. Alright, so that's my laptop, that's the workhorse. With this laptop and the camera that you're watching this through now, I can pretty much be completely productive along with the mic for podcasting. And I really like this bag because it holds it all. pretty efficiently, so I can just take this bag with me and be set. Now, let's go to the gym bag. But let's do a quick little pan. Actually, let's just go to the gym bag all the way. All right, so this is a Hazard 4 backpack, that's the name of it. And I wanted to get like this really tough fabric simply because I don't want it on the gym floor. I'm not gentle with this bag at all. My brother is a boiler maker. He's got these crazy clasps here, and I just grab this and throw it on the floor. So I've got my weightlifting belt wrapped around the bag to kind of save space. So if I'm training something that needs to be having a belt with it, I'll just undo those buckles, and then that slides right out. Easy access there. Aesthetics is the brand of belt I use, by the way, and the guy that owns that company is super cool. He was on one of my first podcasts. So that's my belt, and then in this first little top compartment, I've got wrist wraps. So that's what I've got there. And then let's see here, in this second top compartment, I've got just the normal wrist straps. These are leather ones. The first time I've ever got leather. I actually really like the leather. And then I've got like a little funnel in case I need to put anything in a water bottle. So that is the top compartment. Now, opening it up to the main body of the compartment. I don't have very much stuff in here, honestly. I've got my SBD knee sleeves, and I've got my knee wraps. So when I'm training legs, I have the SBD sleeves, the knee wraps. I got everything I need there. And then in the back compartment, I have a jump rope in case I need to do any cardio while I'm traveling, because jump rope is just a really easy form of cardio. You can take it with you anywhere and can't go wrong there. And that is what I have in my 2 bags. This, along with the clothes on my back and the shoes on my feet, and I'm pretty much set. Anywhere I can pretty much be productive in the gym, productive at work, and I have everything I need. That is what I got going on currently. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll see how this packing mechanism works out for this trip and see how it goes. So, catch y'all later.